Hello everyone, it's Kaden Weather here. I know this is a late upload, but I want to give you another update on Tropical Storm Marco and Tropical Storm Laura. As Tropical Storm Marco is now making landfall on Louisiana. Yes, it's going to be making landfall on Louisiana. And it's going up and make major flooding to parts of Louisiana. This is going to be major impacts on Louisiana. You guys need to be getting prepared, if not be already prepared in Louisiana, because you guys are going to get a direct hit by Marco and you guys are going to be hit. So I'm going to give you an update on Marco, the live infrared satellite, the future models on um the future model on Marco, but both infrared satellites on Marco and Lore coming up in today's video, so stay tuned. But as you can see, this is where they both are located. This is Laura and this is Marco. As you can see, Laura is near Cuba, or not even on, or not even just near it, maybe on top of Cuba, making major impacts on Cuba, and Marco is about to make landfall on Louisiana. Now let's get to the live infrared satellite on both of them. So let's start off with Marco. And as you can see, there is no rain at all with Marco right now, but that is going to change soon. As you can see, we don't need rain with a tropical storm, but we do have definitely strong winds. And as you can see, this is the center of the eye. It's very, very hard to see here, but that is the center of the eye right there, moving up towards Louisiana. But yes, that is the center of the eye. To make major flooding, as the rainfall will soon definitely ramp up, and we have more rainfall coming to lots of the area around the coast as well, and into even parts of Central, even including Baton Rouge, also included in that. But that is the live infrared satellite. You see, there's no rain on it. Let's get into Tropical Storm Laura. As you can see, this is way stronger. We are seeing purples and blacks here. Definitely way stronger in rainfall. As you can see, there's no rainfall on Marco so far, bringing lots of impact on Cuba. Definitely, as you can see, this is kind of not. This is way less organized. You can kind of see. You could see, like, it was clouds. It was kind of hard to see on infrared satellite, but you could see it had a little center. This does not have a clear and easy to see center on it. It's very unorganized in this one big plot, and like not even a big area, not even like just a small area that it's the eye center is at. It's very unorganized here, just near Cuba. As you see, some of it is on Cuba, but the main big flooding part that it would be giving flooding to Cuba is luckily not on Cuba, but they're still getting some flooding rainfall over in western Cuba. But as you can see, that's the live infrared satellite on Laura. Now let's wrap things up in today's video with the future model on Marco. As you can see, this is it right here. As you can see, as we time this out, look how much it intensifies. So as you can see right here, there is like less rainfall. And then look, as it goes a little bit further, it gains that heavy rainfall back, and it just explodes with rainfall. It's going to get that rainfall very soon, and it's just going to explode with that rainfall very soon. And then as we time this out, look what happens. It just gets so intensifies once it hits Louisiana sometime soon, and it hits Louisiana a little bit after it hits Louisiana. It's going to explode in strength. It's going to be very strong as it hits Louisiana, and as it moves up, that's when it starts to weaken a little bit into just some very heavy storms. And then as it goes to Arkansas, Arkansas is going to get some flooding too, lots of inches of rainfall. And then it look at that. Look at just the next few model scans, and boom, it's almost gone. And that's how it ends. And once it hits Missouri, it's gone. And that's the end of that future model. But look how strong it's going to be as it hits Louisiana. But that's going to wrap it up for today's video. Before I end, here is the live infrared satellite on Marco one more time. Here is the center eye of Marco. Kind of hard to see its clouds, but as it goes a little bit further, at probably about this point at least, it's going to gain that rainfall back at about that point at least. But I hope you guys did enjoy today's video. If you did, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe if you like weather-related videos. Um, Also, yeah, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. If you have any weather questions, don't forget to comment that down below, and I should be able to answer them. But stay safe, stay weather aware, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!